Are you sending emails into a black hole? You hit send, you wait, and nothing. You have no idea if your prospect even opened the message or clicked a single link. That is a recipe for wasted follow-ups and missed opportunities. Let me show you how to flip a few simple toggles in Pipedrive so you know exactly when someone opens your email and clicks a link. No more guessing. All right, so here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the exact menu path. We will open up your settings, find the tracking options, and turn them all on. Just follow these simple steps, and you will have full visibility in just a few minutes. Let us start by opening Pipedrive in your browser. Just log in like you normally do. Now, look up to the upper right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It might be your initials or a little picture. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down that appears, select Personal Preferences. This is where all the account-level settings live. Once that page loads, look at the left-hand sidebar. You want to click on Email Sync. Now, at the top of the Email Sync page, make sure the Account tab is selected. It should be highlighted. If it is not, just click it. Then scroll all the way down until you see a section labeled Advanced Settings. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Advanced Settings area, look for the heading that says Email Tracking Settings. It is pretty straightforward. Now, find the very first option. It will say Track when recipients open emails. This is the Open Tracking toggle. Enable it by flipping the switch. Now, Pipedrive will know the moment a prospect opens your email. Next, find the option that says Track when recipients click links in emails. Enable that toggle too. This tracks every single link someone clicks inside your message. Now, this is really helpful for knowing what they are interested in. And here is the really important part. Look for the option that says Get Alerts in Pipedrive for email tracking activities. Enable this toggle. Now, you will also get notifications inside Pipedrive when these events happen. No need to constantly refresh or guess. Take a moment now to review all of your tracking settings. Make sure all three toggles are switched on. You should see them all in the blue Enabled position. Now, here is the best part. You do not have to click a Save button. Pipedrive saves everything automatically. Just wait a few seconds for the changes to sync. You might notice a little spinner or a quick confirmation message. And that is it. You are no longer sending emails into a black hole. From now on, when you send an email from Pipedrive, you will get a clear view of exactly when a prospect opens it and which links they click. That is your cue to follow up at the perfect moment. Go ahead and send that next email with confidence.